Hi and welcome to this week's project. This week's project is some blanks which are a little bit different for me and some mica powders that Scott Walker kindly sent me from mrmica.uk. These are a new range of mica powders that he has, but he very kindly sent me out a sample of his new range to have a play with. Now these have got elm in and they've got a bit of aluminium honeycomb in these blanks here, and I'm going to be making them up just with mica powders, I think. So the colours that I think I'm going to go for today are going to be, I'd love to go for green and orange because I think those would look amazing in them, but one of the colours that I really liked is this aubergine, it's called. Let me open this up for you to have a look. And this is the colour here, and it's a pretty amazing colour. I really like it. So I'm going to be using that one today. I'm going to go for a really light colour, which is white satin. Anyway, I'm going to get these resins mixed up and then we'll come back when we start mixing in some colours.
Everybody makes mistakes, 'cause no one can be perfect. It was just one kiss, but that don't justify it. I know what I did was wrong, but it's like I did it just to spite you, because all we ever do is fight. Oh, and I really think it's time we say goodbye. Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Baby, I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind. It hasn't always been like this. Remember when we were in love? You were always there for me and we could talk for hours. I don't know what happened to us. Oh, 'cause we bring each other down right now, and I don't even know why. You know, I really think it's time we say goodbye. Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Baby, I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind. See me walking out the door. It's better this way, you know this ain't working anymore. It's something that we should have done a long time ago. You know, I think we should say goodbye. Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Baby, I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind.
Okay, let's demould these blanks and then we shall go and give them a cut up.